Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to load Windows files using the server community. So I have my server running here, and in our case here we have the RM education laptop. It has a BIOS password and I can't bypass it to install USB. I can't enable USB boot options. So right now we're going to go ahead and power on our PC. I'll click F12. Our server is running. F12 take us to the network boot options, and our network boot options are enabled. So the server will start loading the files, and then to take us to this menu that you see. So in your case here, you can load the Windows files. Could be Windows 7. In our case here, we're going to install Windows 7. So you wait for the PC to load the files, and the server here will still be running. I will show you how to configure the server in my video. I'll put it in the description. So when you load the files from the shared files that we have, we're going to go ahead and to ask for the password to access this PC. So it's going to load everything. You have to just be patient about that. And our files are loading. So after loading, it will prompt you to this server. Then you wait for the network resources to load. When the network resources load, it will show you okay. Then you can input the username. So input this username, Dell. It's the username I've put there. Then I'm going to enter the password. So it will say okay. Then after here, you're good to go. This is how you go ahead and boot your PC. In case it has a BIOS password, you can't use the USB boot options. You can use the Ethernet cable and our server community software. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. And if you need any help, I'll reply you in a few minutes from now. So thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.